So how are you guys? And it is a beautiful day, it's beautiful Tuesday, and we are in the markets again. So today, as we talked yesterday about the DXY, I told you based on this move, based on this volume we have here, it is more likely we are going for a short. And unfortunately, we are moving down, like I said. So it's more likely here now to keep moving down due to this volume accumulated here. So right now, this the XY positioning is showing me that shows me that maybe we can get a beautiful flag right here. We can get maybe two touch or three touch and keep pushing down. So anything can happen here, but I'm waiting to see what are we going to get that will confirm my trades. So based on this DXY, it will be determining more of the euro dollar pairs. So on consideration to that, today my favorite pairs for today I'll be watching only for 1, 2, 3, only these five pairs due to their position. We can see with Australian dollar as Australian dollar even on higher time frame. On higher time frame, we can see we have this gap to fill. This one. So it's more likely you're going to get some structures maybe on lower time frame, 1 hour. That's what I'm waiting for right now. To, once we get the beautiful structure here, as you can see, maybe we can retrace to this low here. We can retrace to this low, trace to this low. Okay, let me delete this one. Retrace to this low. Maybe we can form something like this, this, and keep pushing up. Oh, we can, okay. Oh, we can form something. This is, I mean, maybe get something like this that can retrace back again and keep pushing up. So anything possible, and I'm waiting to see how the Australian dollar will develop. But pound dollar is more quite beautiful, and I missed this trade here tomorrow. Yeah, I mean yesterday. Here there was a beautiful entry here. As you can see, we have one. You see, look, we have a one touch, a second touch, and a third touch. These are very very beautiful things that I like to look. So this one is possibly gonna come up to high here, and we are going to have a, you see, rate to risk to a ratio of 3. So this means it depends on your lot size and your capital. It's going to be a very huge amount. So until now, I could have 2.3 rewards, risk to rewards. So let's wait and see. But this one was a very very beautiful move. So right now, since I missed this trade, I'll be waiting to once we are here to get a flag up here and keep pushing up there. When this happen, I'll take this trade, and you can see even in higher time frame position, it is more the pound dollar is more likely to keep coming up here. You see, we have this high to fill. We have a depth to we have a depth here. We have to come. We have to finish this move up here. So that's why I'm more interested in this pound. We have to finish this move, or even further, we can come up to fill this high. Yeah, there's a very high chance this pair will come up to this high. This is because of the DXY positioning. There's a lot of buying pressures in dollar pair. That is what I'll tell you. Either you trade a different strategy than me. I mean, if you are trading a different strategy from me, you should know that for today there's a lot of buying pressures in dollar pairs. Gold, you can see gold. Let's see what we have on gold. Gold, you're buying on gold. And gold today is very, very beautiful. There's a very, very beautiful position for gold today. I think you are going to have a trade today for gold. Let's see what the hell do we have. So gold, maybe it's more likely to come up to this, to retest this and keep pushing down. It is just like we are going to have a two touch. So this I'll be waiting for to see this two touch develop. A two touch to come here, make this one touch. Let me see on 1 hour. Yeah. Probably maybe we can retest up to this high, but either way we can get an entry. So I'll be confirming with 1 hour and 4 hour to see if I can get retrace, and if I don't get a retrace, I will wait to see maybe if I can. So I can either come here, I can come here, I can come here, get a retrace candle. I mean, not really like that, not really. I can come here, get an entry criteria and keep pushing. Or if I don't feel a confirmation for an entry there and I miss an entry there, I'm waiting to see a beautiful flag here and to take an entry down to here. Or I can come up here, get a retrace 4 hour, I can take a 4 hour entry. Or if I miss it, I waited to see in lower time frame a continuation to keep pushing down. So that is what I'll be looking for gold for today. That is what I'll be looking. So the last one is euro. I mean dollar JPY. As I told you, I mean tomorrow, yesterday, that will, based on this volume here, we were more likely to keep pushing down. And we came up to this low, like I said, then we retrace. So right now, I'm waiting. Maybe we can retrace again. We can retrace again to. Uh, Maybe we will come up to this. Okay. Maybe we'll come up to this. I mean, up to this. And keep pushing down. That's all I'll be looking. That's probably my most. I'll be looking the most on this dollar, JPY. Or either maybe we can. Uh, maybe we can get a flag down here without going up there and keep pushing down. So that's what I'll be looking for today pairs. These are my favorite pairs for today. And if I didn't talk about the US 30, US 30 has been showing a very, very beautiful momentum. And you see, we are now in a very beautiful area, but we are more likely to come to fail this high here. Right now, we are more likely to come and fail this high here. This is because we have a lot of buying pressures. We have a lot of buying pressure on these dollar pairs. So right now, I'm looking forward to see. I think we are going to have a beautiful entry maybe here. Maybe it will come in. This one may come again here and can get an entry. That's what I'm looking for. You 30. So guys, let's see what should be going on. But I will take an entry based on how they develop. So that is it for today, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for being with me, and please drop your comment down here. Let me see what do you think about my analysis for today's trades. So, guys, thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Press the subscribe button there, and I want to modify my content so we can keep in touch more. I will improve my content. One day I will tell you about my strategy. What kind of strategy I'm using. I know most of the people may be having question. What kind of strategy that this guy use? So I will drop my video soon about what kind of strategy I'm using. So guys, thank you for being with me. It is one and only Mimi. Thank you guys.